Let us now see a demonstration on building a dashboard in Power BI. Dashboard is a fundamental element in Power BI. It is a set of visualization which is built inside the Power BI service. There are various ways to create a dashboard. So let's start by building a quick and easy dashboard. First, take your cursor to the clustered column chart and click on My Workspace button, which will appear in the right column of your visual. Here, you can see a pre-prepared workspace Git. Now click on the Git Workspace option. After this, the data of Workspace Git will appear. Hover the cursor onto the upper right corner of your screen. Now select the Pin Visual option. A dashboard will appear. Select Pin to Dashboard, then select New Dashboard. Now create a new dashboard. Git_dash. Then select the Pin option. Select Go to Dashboard from Pinned to Dashboard, located on the top right corner of your screen. The data of Git_dash will appear on the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, click on Add a Comment option from the top row of your screen and type a comment. This is a Git demo report. On the rightmost side of your screen, and post it. Now to view the comment, you can just click on the comment option available on the top of the screen. Now close the comment box and click on to Edit option on top row of your screen. You can see Add a Tile option. Click on it to add tile option. A section of Add Tile will appear on the right side of the screen. Select the option as text box and press Next button. You need to fill a form here with fields like title, subtitle, content, technical details. You need to fill the form according to your needs. Here, let's click on to checkbox, display title and subtitle. Now let's add title Git_demo. On the subtitle section, let's write demo. Now click apply on the bottommost right corner of your screen. A pop-up added to dashboard will appear on the top right corner of the screen. Now for creating a phone view of your dashboard, click on the Create Phone View option. A pop-up will appear on your screen about phone version. Let's click on Continue option. Now your dashboard will appear in the phone view. You can also change the view options from the top right corner of the screen. You have an option of changing the dashboard view as phone view or web view. Now let's click onto Web View option for displaying the dashboard in web view. You can see that on the upper left corner of your screen, Ask a question about your data option. Click on it and new section will open where you can ask real language questions like total commits, which displays the count of total commits. You will see a visual data known as data card. You can use keywords to ask a question. Here, let's use a keyword username. On the dashboard, all the usernames present in the Git_dash will appear. Now use keyword total deletion, where the screen will show the data of total number of deletions done on the Git_dash. Click on Exit Q&A option located on the top left of your screen. You now have the first dashboard that can be accessed on web as well as on mobile devices. With this, we conclude the demonstration on building a dashboard in Power BI.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.